I'm going to show you how to make better tasting Kraft mac and cheese. First, you prepare the noodles like you always do, and then you add the regular ingredients. To make this better, I have some leftover bacon that I'm going to be adding to the mixture. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of extra sharp cheddar cheese. Then you mix all that together, putting it back on the heat so that way it can help melt the cheese. I probably should have added in the bacon after I got done mixing all those together. Looks a little bit runny, so I'm going to add in a little bit more cheese. That looks a little bit better. So after that, we're going to grease the pan. Set the oven at 350 degrees. Put the mac and cheese into the pan. I thought I had a smaller pan, but this will work. Okay, once you got all your mac and cheese into a pan, I'm gonna want to put a little bit of shredded mozzarella cheese on top of it. And then after you add that, you're going to put more shredded cheddar cheese on top of that. Make sure that it's covered pretty well. And then you're gonna put it into the oven and cook it until the cheese is browned. And that'll be a better tasting Kraft mac and cheese. This is what it looks like 10 minutes after cooking. Doesn't that look so much better than your average Kraft mac and cheese dinner? Subscribe to get more content.